Elements and compounds. Matter present in our surroundings can be classified as pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are further classified as elements and compounds. Elements. An element is a pure chemical substance consisting of only one type of atom. Different elements are arranged in the periodic table according to their atomic number. Elements can be classified as metals and non-metals, and they exist as atoms or molecules. There are some elements which behave like metals and non-metals which are called metalloids. Compounds. A compound is a pure chemical substance composed of two or more chemical elements such as sugar and baking soda. In a compound, the component elements are present in a fixed ratio. The properties of a compound are different from that of its component elements. The elements react chemically and form chemical bonds between them. Based on the nature of the bonds, compounds can be classified into ionic, molecular, or covalent compounds. Ionic compounds. Ionic compounds contain ions that are held together by the force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. Sodium chloride or common salt is a good example of an ionic compound. Sodium atom has 1 electron in its valence shell and chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its valence shell. When these atoms collide with each other, the sodium atom loses its valence electron and becomes a positively charged sodium ion and attains stable octet configuration. The electron released from the sodium atom is gained by the chlorine atom and completes its octet. Now chlorine becomes a negatively charged chloride ion. The electrostatic force of attraction between these oppositely charged ions result in the formation of sodium chloride molecule. Now, let's try to understand covalent or molecular bonds. Covalent compounds contain discrete molecules held together by sharing electrons. The simplest example is the water molecule. The water molecule is formed by combining 2 hydrogen atoms with 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electrons. The hydrogen atom with 1 valence electron needs an additional electron to complete its first energy level, and oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons needs 2 additional electrons to complete its second energy level. As 1 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom collides, a covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms. By sharing an electron pair with the oxygen atom, the hydrogen atom completes its first shell and attains a stable noble gas configuration. Oxygen atom now has 7 electrons in its valence shell. By accomplishing its stable octet configuration, oxygen atom shares an electron with another hydrogen atom and forms a water molecule. Things to remember. Elements are the simplest form of matter and are made up of atoms of the same kind. In the periodic table, elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. Elements can be classified into metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Compounds are pure substances composed of 2 or more different elements. The properties of a compound are different from that of its component elements. Ionic compounds are formed by the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions, and covalent compounds are formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms.